Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we're looking at a versatile corded stick vacuum cleaner that promises to make your cleaning routine more efficient and convenient. From powerful suction to a lightweight design, this vacuum is built to tackle a variety of surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and even pet hair. But does it live up to the claims? Let's break it down and see what this vacuum has to offer. This vacuum is all about delivering strong suction power thanks to its high-power motor. In real-life terms, that means it's more than capable of picking up dust, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces, whether you're dealing with a shaggy rug, hardwood floors, or tiled spaces. But while that suction power is key, let's see how well it handles the different floor types you'll find around your home. On carpets, it picks up embedded dirt with ease, and on hard floors, it glides smoothly, leaving no crumbs behind. When it comes to pet hair, this vacuum shows its true colors. No more annoying strands sticking around, especially on your furniture and upholstery. One of the standout features is the 2-in-1 design. With a simple switch, you can go from stick mode for cleaning large areas to handheld mode, perfect for detailed work on sofas, car interiors, or even curtains. The included Crevice tool is especially helpful for those tight spots, making sure you don't miss any dirt in corners or along edges. The transition between these modes is seamless, and it feels intuitive, which is a big plus when you're in a rush to get your cleaning done. Now, let's talk about maneuverability. We all know how frustrating it can be to wrestle with a heavy vacuum or one that doesn't move easily. Fortunately, this vacuum's lightweight body and ergonomic handle make it incredibly easy to carry around. Whether you're going up and down stairs or trying to get under furniture, it glides effortlessly, so you won't feel fatigued during extended cleaning sessions. One big advantage here is that this vacuum is corded, meaning you won't have to worry about the battery running low halfway through your cleaning spree. As long as you're near a power outlet, you'll have consistent suction for as long as you need it. For larger homes or those needing deep cleaning sessions, the corded power will be a huge benefit, offering uninterrupted performance compared to cordless models that can sometimes slow down or lose suction. Cleaning performance aside, the overall ease of use deserves a mention. The vacuum's design is straightforward, and setting it up takes just a few minutes. Once assembled, it's ready to go, and the lightweight makes it easy to use for everyone in the family. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a lot of dust and dirt to manage, this vacuum's combination of power and usability makes it a solid choice. Of course, no vacuum is without its pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. The suction power is impressive, and for a vacuum of this price range, it performs exceptionally well across various surfaces. The lightweight design is another major plus, especially if you live in a multi-floor home or have limited storage space. The 2-in-1 function adds versatility, allowing you to easily clean floors and hard-to-reach areas with the same device. On the flip side, the corded design, while great for consistent performance, can be limiting in larger spaces. You'll have to move between outlets if you have a big area to cover, which could be a hassle if you're not near a power source. And while it's lightweight, the vacuum's build feels a bit plasticky, which might make some users question its long-term durability. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're used to more premium-feeling models. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum strikes a good balance. Its strong performance across different floor types, ease of use, and versatility in cleaning tasks justify its price point. However, if you're comparing it to cordless vacuums, you'll notice some differences. Corded models tend to be more powerful, but they're also less convenient if you're looking for flexibility and mobility. If you're willing to sacrifice the freedom of cordless cleaning for consistent suction power, this vacuum is definitely worth considering. If you're looking at other vacuums in a similar price range, you might come across models like the Shark Navigator Liftaway, or even some of Dyson's entry-level models. The Shark is also a 2-in-1, offering great suction power on carpets and hard floors, but it's bulkier and not quite as lightweight. Dyson's cheaper stick vacuums, on the other hand, might offer cordless convenience, but at a higher price point. So, if battery life isn't a concern for you, and you need that steady suction power, this corded vacuum could be the better deal. In terms of build quality, the materials are functional but not premium. The plastic feels a bit thin, but it holds up well under regular use. As for maintenance, it's relatively low effort. Just empty the dustbin when needed and clean the filters. The brush roll can get tangled with pet hair, so a quick cleanup every few uses is recommended. Long-term durability isn't something that can be fully assessed just yet, but based on the build and design, it should hold up decently over time. Customer support for this vacuum is solid, with up to 3 years of after-sales service, which is reassuring in case any issues come up. They're quick to respond and aim to ensure satisfaction, which is always a good sign when making an investment in a product like this. So, who is this vacuum for? If you're someone who wants consistent suction power without worrying about battery life, this corded model is a great fit. It's especially ideal for those with pets, as it handles pet hair without issue. If you live in a multi-floor home or have a lot of carpeted areas, the lightweight design and strong suction will be huge assets. However, if you prefer the freedom of cordless cleaning or need something for larger, more complex areas, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for this vacuum in the comments box below. If you already own this model, let us know how it's been working for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, happy cleaning, and remember, Reviews Inside TV will help you get the best out of your gadgets.